Imagine driving a car but feeling like you're flying an airplane. That's how Nio describes their upcoming Nio ET9 electric car, set to debut next year. Equipped with a powerful 707 horsepower engine and a 120 kilowatt-hour battery, it also boasts a special suspension that the Chinese marketers are hyping up. Just picture a pyramid of champagne glasses balanced on the hood. Pretty cool, right? They even showcase the car shaking off snow like a dog and doing a little dance during a vibration test, almost like tap dancing on its wheels. While details on this special suspension are still sparse, we know it includes 4 independent hydraulic pumps, one for each wheel, along with active valve modules that respond to road movements in just 5 milliseconds. Meet Sam Chow, an outdoor enthusiast who loves sleeping under the stars but dislikes the hassle of setting up camp and the expense of motor homes. To camp comfortably without the fuss, Chow devised a mobile kitchen. This innovative kitchen setup can hold up to 91 kilograms and unfolds to 1.85 meters. It's incredibly convenient, featuring a propane stove, laminate countertops, a bamboo cutting board, and more. While the kitchen looks and functions impressively, the big question is, would you pay $25,000 for it? If not, don't worry, production is currently on hold. However, for those interested in a DIY project, Chow offers a 3D model in SKP format for self-assembly at just $40. Imagine this, up at a plant to pick up a pallet of cargo. A driver opens the truck's back only to find a chaotic mess. After cleaning it up and loading the pallet, he looked at the truck's sides and thought, what a waste of space. This spark of inspiration led him to start BUILTRIGHT Industries. Now, they're thriving, producing storage panels based on the Muller system. These panels are a hit, especially for vehicles like the Ford Ranger, with sets selling for $625. Made of 3.2 millimeters thick steel, the panels can be mounted on both the bedsides and the inside of the truck, maximizing storage efficiency and organization. Meet CLEARVIEW mirrors, the ultimate choice for towing that brings a whole new level of innovation. Experience unparalleled clarity on the road without any fancy AI voice control or Skynet. Just a simple, effective design. The mirror is split into 2 parts. The top functions like a standard mirror, while the slightly curved lower part provides a wider view. They've even added supports to extend the mirrors by 18 centimeters. Essential features like heating, folding, and light indicators are also included. Ready to hit the market, a pair of these mirrors could easily set you back over $1,000. A professional TV camera easily costs over $30,000, which explains why this mounting system is priced over $1,000. Meet HYDRA, a creation from the international company TILTA. HYDRA can handle up to 100 kilograms and is remotely controlled, ensuring smooth footage thanks to its shock absorbers and damping rack. The improved suction cups perform exceptionally well in cold weather, and even if you flip the camera, it stays securely in place. That's how smartly designed this system is. Fortunately, HYDRA doesn't feed on ancient Greeks, but runs on its own battery, which lasts a solid 8 hours. Rugged Ridge Amphib Snorkel. For those Jeep owners who missed out on some high-end gear, let's talk about the Rugged Ridge Amphib Snorkel. Sure, it might set you back $750, but there's a good reason behind that price tag. Unlike typical snorkels for Jeeps, the amphibious version stands out in several ways. It's specifically designed for 3.6 and 3.8-liter engines, making it a perfect fit. What's more, it's modular and seamlessly matches the factory finish, giving your Jeep a sleek and integrated look. The best part? It's easy to install without the need for complicated body cutting or other tricks, making it a worthwhile investment for off-road enthusiasts looking to upgrade their Jeep's capabilities. TRUTRACK. When it comes to hitches, the innovative spring bars hitch may seem straightforward compared to augmented reality gadgets, but don't let its simplicity fool you. The creators have poured significant effort into developing this hitch, and it packs a punch with 3 key functions. First, it evenly distributes weight, ensuring a balanced load. Second, it maintains the trailer at an optimal level with the vehicle, enhancing stability during towing. Third, it effectively reduces sway, providing a smoother and safer towing experience. This top-tier hitch is designed for trailers up to 6.8 tons, featuring forged steel spring bars and sway control at 4 points. Priced at $940, its cost may raise eyebrows, but it's built to effortlessly haul a camper or a trailer filled with livestock, making it a worthwhile investment for towing enthusiasts seeking reliability and performance. Let's talk about SMITTYBILT Automotive and their Ingenious product that's winning hearts everywhere. Priced at only $80, this creation stands out not just for its affordability, but also for its convenience. You can install it easily without any drilling, saving you time and effort. But here's the cherry on top, it comes with built-in bottle openers. Whether you're out on an adventure or just enjoying a weekend getaway, having a handy bottle opener right on your vehicle is a game changer. Hey sports car fans, hold on to your hats, because this family with a snow-white Corvette C8 is about to get messy with paint. But don't worry, it's all for a good cause: publicity. Remember those ads where they tested Blender toothpaste on an egg? Meet LLUMAR Valor Film, which does something similar for your car's paint job. This film shields your car from all sorts of trouble, bird droppings, salt, sand, you name it. With LLUMAR, spilled paint just slides right off, making cleanup a breeze. Plus, this Valor Film goes the extra mile, being 25% more resistant to pollutants than other options. It's tough enough to handle acid rain, and even has self-healing powers. Just let the sun or the engine heat do its magic on those scratches. So, whether you're hitting the road or just showing off, your car's paint will stay pristine. Have you ever thought about ditching the hassle of charging stations and relying on good old sunshine to power up your electric vehicle? Picture this. You can slap on some EV solar kits onto your car and boom, you're adding over 19 kilometers of range every single day. And get this, installing these bad boys takes just 20 minutes, no special skills required, just follow a quick video tutorial. Now, here's the kicker. In the near future, American manufacturers are gearing up to produce solar panels, tailored for all major electric car brands. They're even tweaking the design for on-the-go charging. How cool is that? While the exact power figures are still in the works, there's already a YouTube promo floating around for a kit featuring a 6 kW inverter and 2 kW panels. Alright, gather round folks, because this is something you'll want to take a seat for. Those wheel mounts you see over yonder? They're priced at a hefty $670 each. Yup, they do come with a strap, and yup, they can snugly fit wheels up to 1 meter in diameter and 36 centimeters wide. Plus, they've got these genius mounting holes so you can stick them wherever you fancy in the cargo bed of your pickup truck. But hold on to your hats, cause here's the kicker. Back in 2021, Alibaba was practically giving away mini electric cars for a mere $100. And get this, those little wheels could zoom up to 40 kilometers per hour. So before you drop some serious cash on those mounts, maybe give some thought to the bang you could get for your buck elsewhere, huh? We've featured all sorts of Jeep upgrades in our videos, and it seems like Jeep owners have cash to spare. Many of you might want to check out this top-of-the-line roof rack, priced at $1,536. It's perfect for carrying all kinds of gear on your roof, even a snowmobile. This rack can handle up to 136 kilograms of dynamic load and up to 363 kilograms of static load, making it incredibly versatile. Plus, when installed, you have options on how it extends to fit your needs. Curious about the maker? These robust roof racks are crafted by LOD Off-Road right here in the USA. Let's dive into the latest from Rough Country Workshop, a game-changing controller that makes managing lights, ventilation, compressors, and more a breeze, all in one place. Straight out of the box, it comes with 8 unlabeled buttons, allowing you to customize them with the included set of 50 stickers. With its IP65 protection, this controller stands up to water jets and dust clouds, so it's built for tough conditions. You can tweak the brightness of the RGB backlight to match your style, and it even has an automatic power-off feature when the battery voltage gets low.
Installation.
It's a breeze, taking just 3 to 4 hours with no need for cutting or drilling. All this convenience comes at a reasonable price of $200. Canada sees around 100 centimeters of snow each year, and 2024 has been no exception. A recent storm hit the eastern region, doubling the height of February snowdrifts, leading to an emergency declaration, school closures, and numerous road issues. While there's not much to celebrate about that, it's heartening to see local businesses tackling these challenges head-on. Snowed-in roads? No problem. Just swap out your wheels for NORDTRACKs. These tracks don't require major modifications and can be installed in about an hour. The makers claim they'll fit nearly any four-wheel drive vehicle, and they even work on a Bobcat loader. Sure, they're a bit pricey, except for a Ford Bronco. The cost is around $12,600, but they're incredibly effective, allowing you to go where the roads don't reach. In today's video, we're diving into the world of solar energy with DARTSOLAR. Weighing in at less than 75 kilograms, this innovative solar array can easily fit on your car's roof rack, providing about 32 kilometers of extra mileage after just 5 hours of charging. It's incredibly convenient for those who want to harness the power of the sun. The standard DARTSOLAR setup includes 9 panels, each delivering 175 watts, and is designed to withstand rain, snow, and rough roads. According to its creator, this product is still in beta, but promises to bring a lot of joy to solar enthusiasts. When it hits the market, DARTSOLAR is expected to cost around $4,000. TRYHOMY car folding bed. Finally, let's talk about the folks at TRYHOMY in China. Have come up with a clever way of selling folding beds, perfect for campers who sleep in their cars. This isn't your typical sleeping pad. It's designed to fit right in your vehicle. Just fold down the front seat, and you've got a cozy bed with a height of 32 centimeters, providing enough room to stretch your legs up to the windshield. The spacious version of the cot measures 165 centimeters long and 56 centimeters wide, so you could probably fit 2 in the cabin. The fabric is breathable and water-resistant, ensuring comfort and durability. And the best part? This convenient bed will only set you back about $36.